National Weather Service in Tian has issued an extreme wind warning for Rota until 9:15 a.m. CHST. At 6:29 a.m. CHST, Doppler radar indicated catastrophic winds associated with eyewall passage of Super Typhoon Bavi, 09W, approaching from the east, are imminent over the entirety of Rota. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Venturing outside can result in death from flying projectiles. Unreinforced structures will be destroyed. Utility poles and associated power lines will be down, posing a risk to life. Do not venture out into the relative calm of the eye as it passes over the area. Extreme winds will soon return on the backside of Super Typhoon Bavi. Locations impacted include Sao Paulo, Songsong, Annex F, Tanitu, Ichentrun, Liu, Junlangan, Tudan, Taimama, Tadgua, Matpo, Gompapa, Esnibs, Nieves, Talo, Makmak, Agatasi, Payapari, Lepanai, Gagan, Kon, Gagani, Mananana and Finata. Widespread destructive winds in excess of 150 miles per hour are expected. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. The safest place to be during this situation is in a reinforced interior room away from windows. Get under a table or other piece of sturdy furniture. Use mattresses, blankets or pillows to cover your head and body. Remain in place through the passage of these life-threatening conditions.